It's a name synonymous with some of America's most controversial policies, Guantanamo Bay. The US military base in Cuba has long been a symbol of indefinite detention, secret interrogations, and post-9/11 counterterrorism. But now, Donald Trump wants to use it for something new, detaining criminal aliens. His latest plan? To send tens of thousands of undocumented immigrants to the offshore detention site. So, is this just tough talk on immigration, or a real plan that could change US border policy forever? For over a century, the US has controlled Guantanamo Bay, despite it being located in Cuba. It's best known for its role in War on Terror, a detention center for suspected terrorists after 9/11. At its peak, nearly 800 detainees were held there, many without trial. Today, only 15 remain, including Khalid Sheikh Mohammed, the alleged mastermind of the 9/11 attacks. But what many don't know is that Guantanamo has also been used for decades as a migrant detention center. There's a separate, little-known facility on the base called the Migrant Operations Center. This is where Haitians and Cubans caught at sea while trying to reach the US are detained. It's far smaller than the military prison, consisting of just a handful of buildings. And yet, Trump is now saying that this could be the solution to America's immigration crisis. But here's the problem. Guantanamo is nowhere near big enough to accommodate the numbers Trump is talking about. First, the legality. US immigration law requires due process, meaning detained migrants must have access to legal proceedings. Guantanamo has long been used to bypass legal protection, which could lead to major court challenges. And secondly, Cuba strongly opposes the US presence at Guantanamo and has strongly condemned Trump's proposal, calling it an act of brutality. Trump's Guantanamo plan may fire up his base, but the reality of implementation is far from complicated. Political, legal, and logistical barriers stand in the way, and any attempt to use Guantanamo on a large scale could face serious pushback. Only time will tell whether Trump's plan will become a reality and what it will mean for the nation's immigration policy. Bureau Report, India Today Global.